BBO.
Today. I've learned throughout the years that self-confidence is key, so I'm so excited!
Hi, I'm Redbird, and I'm really sad and I really don't want to be here because my mom signed me up. She said I'm too much of a couch potato, but I guess I'll have to suck it up and do it anyways.
Hi, I'm Blackbird. I'm really looking forward today and I'm really excited for some good competition, so let's get into it.
Hi, I'm Yellowbird, and I'm so ready to do this. I'm so excited, just a little nervous. Because it's okay. It's okay, you just can't hold it. It's okay, you'll do fine.
It's what you've been training for. It's what you've been working for. You only got one shot, so give it all you got. We gon' make it to the top.
Oh, and Bluebird stuck the landing with a height of 25 yards.
It's that time again.
And Yellowbird's out with a maximum height of 20 yards.
Wait, and it don't matter what the age is, and it don't
Oh, and Redbird's also out with a maximum height of 22 yards.
matter what the race is. We all trying to get to Vegas. We
Oh, and it looks like Blackbird has a maximum height of 25 yards.
all four phases, using a God-given ability, and you gotta have strength and agility. And I really wanna know if y'all be feeling me. Next in line, tell me who will it be? This is our moment, so own it if you won't.
So, how do you feel about winning?
You know, I feel pretty good. I've been working really hard, so I kind of expected the win.
Why wait? Motivated till we make it. Nothing stands in my way.